Welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to another video. My name is Rubes and Life with Rubes. Today I'm out and about and I have to travel so far. I'm going to run in some errands. I'm taking you with me. Oh, these people driving on the road are very not so good. Guys, no matter how you try to be early, you can't be early. One thing though, the breeze right here is very cool. Very, very cool and nice, but it's only this part. I'm going to be showing you how far I am going. But this part here is cool, and the rest of the journey ain't cool. The rest of the journey ain't cool. I'm entering the sunny part. See? Cool is gone, and the sunny part is here. And this morning when I was leaving home, it was raining. When I reached a part, it was raining. I know, but let me show you how far I'm going. I'm going way up past that stoplight, going almost up to that red top church. Up to the red top church. That's how far I'm going. I don't have to walk on this road, but there's no taxi run right here. So I have to walk to the stoplight before I can get a taxi or bus. So that's the reason why I'm there. The place that I'm going open at 7:30. So I am taking my time to walk there. When I get there, I'll let you see. Guys, I've reached my destination. Almost, not fully. Almost reached my destination, and the rain came down on me again and wet me up. But it's fine, it's fine. The best part of the matter is that I will get my business going. That's the best part of the story. The place opened 7:30. Now it's 7:33 and I'm almost there. And the traffic terrible. And I'm heading downtown too, but I don't know what time I will be reaching. As God liveth. Cause that place take you all day. Rice cakes in ILO, right? 400, so you pay $200 and something for this one. See it? Half price cake. It's a slice of cake. And cream. Oh, the cakes. Let me see. Ketchup 181 plus tax. Tax bring it up there. Guys, yeah, I'm in the supermarket, guys, and I'm just bored, you know, things expensive. I sell ILO products. Yeah, I advertise for them. Ginger extract. I think I'm gonna ginger extract. What? Popcorn. Knock and snow. I haven't eaten tiger for a while, and I have not seen the big tiger. Clean up these fishes. This is cayenne pepper. This pepper will burn, this cayenne pepper here will burn into everything. I don't have any fish seasoning, so I'm using some all-purpose. Maggi all-purpose, of course. I'm putting some garlic on it. Everybody do their stuff different. I'm doing some, oh, can you see all of it? Are you seeing all of it? This is all of it. I'm taking my time with the salt. You know, too much of everything not great for you. Okay, so I'm gonna be frying this fish. 2 fishes left. I put the rest in the pot to fry. I'm putting the next fish here. Right? Here I am I'm feeling very sleepy. And if you're seeing me clearly, I hope you're seeing me very clearly. You see me very clearly? Okay. See, I am cutting up right now some tomato. And believe it or not, tomato is so expensive too. Tomato is going up. I paid $300 per pound for a tomato. Tomato is getting expensive. So I'm cutting up some tomato right now to cook with the fish. Yes, I'm paying attention. I don't want my finger to cut off. Should I follow my heart? My heart is telling me to prompt my husband that my finger cut off with the knife. And to see how you would react. Should I? No. I don't deal with pranks. I can. If I want, I can prank him to see how you would react today. But I am cutting up all these vegetables. to use in the dinner. I'm using all these okra. I have them so long in the freezer. So I'm using them in I feel like I'm gonna prank you that I cut off my finger with a knife. Should I? I've never done prank before, but I feel like I am going to be pranking him to see how he would react. Let's go. No, I'm not pranking you. Should I? I cut off my finger with the knife. Cut off my finger with a knife. I cut off my finger with a knife. I can't move my finger.
Sure.
He's ready to come with his stuff right. That's all I Joe. So guys, these are the season for the fish. And you know the fish. Now, I prepared the season. I did a little prank, guys. It may be too lame, I don't know. But I also have a frozen mango. I'm not eating with this fish. I'm just going to eat it by itself. Because these mango, when you freeze them, they doesn't taste good. They're soggy. You have to make juice with them. They get soft. Guys, I'm just creating these videos. So this is the season for the fish. So this is it, the season for the fish. Now, what I am going to be doing, I'm going to make some sauce for the fish. I'm using soy sauce. I'm using some ketchup. Believe me, these things are so expensive. This ketchup used to be the cheapest ketchup in the supermarket. Now it's the most expensive. When it was cheap, person buy it a lot. When it was cheap, person buy it a lot. Some spill, let's wipe it up. When it was cheap, as I was saying, people buy it a lot. Now it gets so expensive. So I'm using soy sauce and I'm not adding any salt. No salt is going to be added. Guys, and I'm tired, I'm really tired. Don't know what else it needed, but this is it. I think I'm gonna tip some water in it. So I'm adding some water to it. Boom. I'm done. I'm gonna wash my hand. I'm going to be showing you how the fish look that I'm cooking. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you. This is the fish in the pot, and this is how it has looked. Very beautiful, and it's cooking. This is the fish in the pot. Very, very beautiful. Look at it. I'm going to be pouring all these things in it. Look at it. It's beautiful, huh? Isn't it? Yes. This is fish with natural herbs, scallion, onion, garlic powder, tomato, thyme, and this is how beautiful this fish is in the pot. There you go. Beautiful as it can be. Over here we're cooking it with some white shelly rice. That's what we're doing right now. In the meantime, over here, I'm going to be working on this mango. Hold on, let me get a different knife. This one is a bread knife. And it's going wonders. And this is East Indian mango. But because it is frozen, I have to eat it this way. I can't eat it better than this. It is frozen. Normally, East Indian mango, you eat the skin, but I am unable to eat the skin right now because of the texture of the mango. Mm-hmm.
Look. Well, well, well. It's complete. This is how the seed is. Hmm? Have you seen how I bully down that mango? Yes. Bully it down like there is no mango. So guys, you want to see the fish cooking? This is what it is. Smelling so good, believe it or not. It's smelling so good. Look at it. Huh? Beautiful cooking. Yeah. Think I need to open a restaurant. Think I need to do so. This is the fish in the pot, and this is how it has looked. Very beautiful, and it's cooking. This is the fish in the pot. Very, very beautiful. Look at it. I'm going to be pouring all these things in it. Look at it. It's beautiful, huh? Isn't it? Yes. This is fish with natural herbs, scallion, onion, garlic powder, tomato, thyme, and this is how beautiful this fish is in the pot. There you go. Beautiful as it can be. This is what it is. Smelling so good, believe it or not. It's smelling so good. Look at it. Huh? Beautiful cooking. Yeah. Think I need to open a restaurant. Think I need to do so. The fish in the pot, this is how it is looking. Marvelous, huh? Marvelous for my tummy. Oh my word. Who wants some? Comment down below and tell me who wants some. I'll give you some through this video, okay? So comment down below and tell me who wants some. I'll let you have some, okay? Guys, I'm finished cooking now. So I am going to enjoy my meal, which is this. I started eating it already. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of my channel, guys, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with everyone, share with your friends, your family, and everybody. And please remember to press the like button, okay, and press the subscribe button. Thank you for being a part of Life with Rubes.